In this video, you'll learn how to add a YouTube playlist to Notion. By following these steps, you will be able to embed your favorite playlists directly into your Notion workspace for easy access and organization. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Notion website. Ensure that you are on the main page of Notion, which typically features options to create or access your existing pages. If you need to sign in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you are on the Notion homepage, locate the option to create a new page. You can find this option usually in the left sidebar where you will see a new page button or a plus sign. Click on it to initiate the process of creating a new page. After creating the new page, you will be directed to a blank workspace. Here, you will see a space at the top that prompts you to enter a title. Click in this area and type in a suitable title for your page, such as my favorite YouTube playlist. This title will help you identify the page later. Next, click on a blank space within the page to ensure that your cursor is not in the title area. This step is crucial as it prepares the page for embedding content. You should see an empty space ready for new content to be added. Now, type in the command /embed in the blank area. This action opens a menu with various options related to embedding content. You should see a list of embed options appear, which allows you to select different types of media to add to. Once the embed options appear, click on Embed. This selection will prompt you to enter a link that you wish to embed into your Notion page. You will notice a field where you can paste the link. At this point, you need to go to YouTube and choose the video you want to embed. Navigate to the YouTube website and locate the playlist or video you wish to include. Once you find it, click on it to open the video page. After the video page loads, copy the URL from the address bar at the top of your browser. This URL is essential as it will direct viewers to the content you want to share. Ensure that you have copied the entire link. Return to your Notion page and click on the field where you are prompted to paste the link. Paste the YouTube link you copied earlier into this field. This action will prepare Notion to embed the video associated with that link. Next, click on the Embed Link button to finalize the embedding process. You will see a loading indicator briefly appear as Notion processes the link. Once completed, the embedded video should appear on your Notion page. Finally, click on the play button that appears on the embedded video. This action will start the video playback, allowing you to view the content directly within Notion. You can now interact with your embedded YouTube playlist seamlessly. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.